Okay, this is a HVAC technician's nightmare. This is a nightmare on Elm Street, and this is a explosion of flex duct. So our water leak that we're coming for, location is here, and as we can see, it's been going on for a long time. We have dark wood, and we got white mold, and we got some growth of a unknown fungus, and it's been going on for a long time. This is right after we did a repair on a unit. Now our unit is that ducting over there, 12 feet over that way, so it's working properly. It's making a lot of condensation. We cleaned the evaporator coil, we cleaned the condenser coil, we produced a lot of water. The unit is actually tilted in the wrong direction for the flow for the evaporator, so it actually fills up on the inside of the drain in the wrong direction. They have two units up there that are like that. They were mounted on the roof just 5 years ago, backwards, well, the drain. So let's come over to this beautiful ductwork. I mean, yeah, just, this is beautiful, isn't that? Oh, let's just kink it off. And how about that nice hard 90 over there? Yeah, why even seal it? I mean, just let it leak out all over. It wouldn't make a difference. This is such a abortion nightmare. As you can see, let's come over here and look at our explosion of ductwork. And here's our unit where we worked on. So this is what we worked on, but the leak is coming down over there. So from what I gather, either the water goes on the roof, travels over, puddles up and drips down, or it's coming in between layers somewhere over here, traveling possibly between layers of roofing material, and then it found its first hole and coming down over there. We'll keep exploring this. And this is definitely a nightmare on Elm Street. Nice flex duct coming down, hard 90, bunched up and crunched up, another hard 90. Here's a 180 degree coming around with flex duct. Definitely something you would not want to do. Now I'm starting to look like I'm on a spacecraft with Ripley in Alien. This definitely takes duct work to a whole new level. So this is coming to the other side, and here's our supply on this side. There's no water on the supply side, so all the water traveled another 12 feet in the other direction. Okay.